Okay, I'm pretty sure the computer's off now. I'm going to remove the battery. No. There we go, battery's removed. Maybe I shouldn't have done that yet. I haven't shown the replacement keyboard yet. Guess I'll do that now. Oh, there's tape in the box for the replacement keyboard. Let me just cut that tape off first. There we go. Move this to the side for now. So this is the box that the replacement keyboard came in. You can see replacement keyboard. Well, it just says replacement. You can't see it, but whatever. Let's see, styrofoam. Probably anti-static. No, I think this is actually just a regular plastic tag. Okay, let's see. Was there anything else in the box? No, there wasn't. It was just more styrofoam. Okay, so this is the keyboard that's going to be replacing the keyboard that is currently on the laptop. Ooh, I like how it feels. It's back. Huh, probably shouldn't be touching any of that. I wonder if I'm supposed to leave like this white tape on or not. Cables. Okay, time to actually do the replacement part. Okay, I need a screwdriver. Let me see. I think this one is correct. Nope, that's a tri-wing. Okay, the screwdriver is correct. Okay, so it's back. Apparently, the first thing I'm supposed to do is zoom in. Okay, let me make sure I follow instructions correctly. Otherwise, this might get a little bit messed up. Okay, so let me rotate this a little bit. So apparently the first step, after turning it off and removing the battery, is to remove these screws. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Left, turn it counterclockwise. Okay, that one is loosened. Huh. I don't. Do you really need to see? No. Whatever. Might as well. You can't see it because of my hands. It doesn't matter. No. Okay. One hand. Okay, let's see. Nope, that one is still on. Loosen this one a little bit more. No, go in. Okay. Can I remove it now? Nope. Oh, that one really doesn't want. Okay, now I can. Okay. Now, just remove this cover. I'm gonna put it to the side for now. Now I have to remove 2 screws that secure the keyboard. Let me try to see which 2 screws are they? Okay. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Huh. Well, the camera can't see it very well. I also can't really see. Okay, there we go. There's the keyboard symbol right there. And it's pointing at something. Is there supposed to be a screw where it's pointing at? Hold on, let me check the instructions. Oh, there's supposed to be a screw there. Huh. Well, that screw is not... Move these wires a little bit. Oh. Is it there? It is there. It's in this hole. Okay. So that's one of the screws that I need to remove. Where's the other screw I need to remove? The other screw I need to remove is... Let's see... Zoom out. Is this screw right here, where the battery normally covers? Okay, so those are the two screws I need to remove for this part. I'm gonna do the more difficult one first. I wonder why, like, this screw is so covered. Like, they don't want you to actually take it out. That is the right screw, right? Yeah, it is. That's weird. Oh. I guess I'll start on that one first, since it seems more difficult. Okay. Let me lower this. There we go. That's better. I think the lighting's kind of bad. Is there anything I can do to change that? Let me turn on another light. And I guess that was an improvement. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Zoom out. There, that screw has been removed. I think this screwdriver is slightly magnetized. Either that or I made it magnetized. Okay, that's the first screw. Next screw is right there. Now remove that one too. Okay, let's see. There we go. Ah, it's so small. There. Oh, there's... Interesting. There seems to be some sort of blue paint on the screw. Okay, whatever. Moving on. So, I remove those two screws. Now I'm supposed to turn the computer over and open the display. Am I supposed to put the cover on first? No, I'm not. Okay. Turn the computer back over. Zoom out. Okay, now I need to put it back up a little bit. Turn it around. Open up display. Whoops. Okay, let's see. Now this might be a little bit tricky. Apparently I'm supposed to, I'm supposed to push this keyboard forward. I don't know how that works. Oh dear. on. Let me see. This seems to be tricky. Push hard in the direction. Ooh. This might be awkward. Where am I supposed to push? I can't get a good grip on it because the keys. Well, if I mess this up, I kind of just wasted all my time on this. Come on. Hold up. Maybe I can. No. Doesn't seem to be working. Well. How hard are you supposed to press? I don't want to break it. Let me see. Okay, maybe if I push it from here, maybe I just suck at pushing stuff. How are you supposed to do this? I don't understand. Let me see. No, I'm just pushing down on. Oh, okay. I think it's moving a little bit. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's getting a little bit loose. Okay. Is that all it's supposed to go? Just that much? Okay, it moved slightly. Now, I think I pushed it forward enough. I should be able to. Come on, lift it up. Yes, there we go. I lifted it up. Okay. So I did that part correctly. Now, I have to hold the keyboard slightly above the computer and then detach the connector and then remove it. I don't think I can get a good shot of this. Let's try. Yeah. Okay. It's connected by a ribbon cable. How do I remove that? Am I just supposed to push it up? No, let me just be careful about it. What? Huh. Interesting. Put it over here for a little bit. I'll read instructions again to make sure I'm not gonna mess this up real bad. Is there supposed to be some sort of slot or something? I don't understand this. What is happening? Okay, hold on. How is this connected? I mean, I know the ribbon cable is somehow connected to it, but how do I detach it? This diagram, am I just supposed to push it up? I think I'm just supposed to push it up. Let's see. This part, let me just pull it up somehow. Okay, there we go, it came out. Okay, let's see. There we go. The keyboard is removed now. Go. Keyboard is removed, yes. Now I can install the new one. Okay, now I'm back. I cleaned up a little bit of underneath the keyboard part. I don't think you can tell the difference. There's slightly less dust than there was before. Now I'm going to install the new keyboard, which is here. Okay, let's see. Am I supposed to remove these stickers? I don't know. Let me look at the old keyboard to see if they... Oh, maybe a comparison would be nice. This is the old one. This is the new one. Seems like the old one had some padding that the new one doesn't. That's interesting. Oh, they left the stickers on in the old one too. So I guess I'm not supposed to remove them. Okay, that's fine. Now I know. Now to install the new one, it should just be doing the same thing but backwards. So let me see this. Oh, okay. Huh, that's really short though. This one was... No, I'll remove this because otherwise it's going to be too hard to press this thing into the slot or whatever it is. Hopefully I won't damage the ribbon cable. Good. Okay. How was it put in last time? Was it just like... As long as I don't... was it... Hold on. I think it was just like... Okay. Let me see... You probably won't be able to see this anyways. But... This is where the connector supposed to go in. And you won't be able to see it go in because it's going to be covered. Probably. You can just imagine imagine this going in there. Oh, Jesus. Don't bump the keyboard. Ugh, this is not... See? Is the connector connected? No. Gotta be careful about this, I suppose. To line it up correctly. Maybe this isn't really supposed to be meant to be done by an average person. Just be a little bit careful, don't mess up the controller. Okay, it seems to be attached now. Oh, don't pull on the ribbon cable. Jesus Christ. Okay, it's connected. Now I should just, let's see. Should be able to just press this in. Press it in. Push it forward, push it down, and then slide the keyboard backwards. Okay, clicked into place. I think everything should be good. Okay, see. Okay, I think I put the new keyboard in correctly, hopefully. Now I'm supposed to close the display. Then turn it back over. Then put the screws back in. Dut, dut, dut. Okay. So one of this. Oh, are the two screws the same size and shape? See, it seems like they are. Hold on, let me just make sure, so I don't. Yeah, seems like they are. Okay, so it shouldn't really matter which one. This should go in here. Come on, get in the hole. I think you're in. Okay, now I should be able to just turn it. Okay. Turn it clockwise. Okay, that one is in. Now time to do the other one. Here we go. Okay. Huh, it's a little bit blurry. Well, it's not that interesting to see anyways. Okay, now both screws are back in. Let me zoom out again. Oh. Maybe it would have been better if I just had it closer. Okay. Now I need to put the cover back on. Put the cover back on. Do I really? No, I'm gonna do it anyways. Put the cover back on and then screw these back in. Okay, the cover has been put back on. And then we just put the battery back in. Okay, let me see. What? Okay. Let's see, it's the battery. Hold on. Okay, should be good now. Okay. If everything went well, I should be able to just turn the computer back on. And the keyboard should work. Let me see. Okay, let me try something out. Okay, seems like the replacement keyboard is not backlit, so I can't. The old one I used to be able to do this, and like there used to be a backlight, but like I don't really need it. It still turns on like the light from the top. There's a light near the webcam that shines down. I almost never used it though. Like I never used any of the backlighting or that light either. For some people, probably an important feature. Not for me. Okay. Let me go type in my password real quick. What is my password? Do I remember my password? Oh dear, you could see one key. Oh, these buttons feel clicky and new. That's nice. Just make sure all the keys work. Okay. How do I verify that all the keys are working correctly? Do I just press each one once? I could weigh? Or is there some sort of resource I can use? Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This, then that. Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Press all these keys once. Okay, let's go look at the screen for a little bit. Pretty sure that, oh, no, too much. That was all of them, right? All of them went in. S, D, F, F, G, H, J, K, L, semicolon, comma. No, that's not a comma. Apostrophe. Z, X, C, Y. No, that's a V. V, B, N, M, comma, period, K, slash. Okay. Let me, should I turn on? Oh, no, it shouldn't have turned that one on. Let me turn on. How about, oh, the fans are going. Let me turn on the calculator. There we go, calculator. Let's see if I can alt tab. Yes, I can alt tab. Okay. No, go away, Steam. I didn't mean to turn you on. The Windows key does bring up the menu. I think, what is it? Linux users don't call the window key the window key because they're not using Windows. I think they call it the super key or something. Let's see what else. Press enter. Works. Backspace works. F1. I guess it doesn't do anything. Oh, it did. Oh, whoosh. Okay, I guess F1 when you press it for in LibreOffice Writer, it opens up the help page in a web browser. F2 changes. I don't know what it does, but it does something. So I know F2 is okay. Let's see. I think all the keys are working correctly. Let me just. No. Oh, that was spell check. Apparently one of the function keys does spell check. No, damn it, I don't know how to get out of this. Don't know how to use this software. Okay, let's see. Does caps lock work? Caps lock. Hey, how do I exit this? Caps lock. Yeah, caps lock does work. Okay, what if I do shift? The shift key seems to work, right? Yeah. Print screen works. Okay. Don't save that, I don't need that. Page up and page down works. You're not getting a full view, but I don't think you need it. This is just confirmation that the keyboard works. I think every key works. Good. Okay. Okay, that's it. It's done. Everything is done. Let's look at the keyboard one more time. So, I think that's it. I think I fully did everything I wanted to restore this computer into a usable state. I mean, the keyboard was optional, apparently. Don't save that, I don't need that. Turn the computer off. Okay, apparently Alt F4 in this operating system does not do that, but that's fine. Oh wait, I didn't check if these things work. Seems like they do. Okay. Basically just extra. Yeah, that one worked. Okay, if I click left click on shutdown, yeah. Okay, it seems the new keyboard is fully functional. So that's it. I think I did everything to fix up this computer that I wanted to. Everything else is just cosmetic. Like for this corner, it's still, come on, go down a little bit more. Like this is still gonna be like this. I think I could fix this if I wanted to. Like I could remove this, put something else there, make it the correct shape, and use a very similar shade of paint to the rest and make it look like almost exactly the same, but I don't care, that's not necessary. There we go, computer is done. Now I think I might make a video that's an overview of everything I've done. I think the amount I spent to restore the computer, like you can't really get anything for it. Like you can't really get a laptop unless like it's a crappy Chromebook or something with only like 2 gigabytes of RAM or something. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll have to see if I make that video or not. I definitely will put this video up of me replacing the keyboard though, I know that for sure. Okay, video of